Okay. Let's talk about the ViSalus Beamer Club. I know this is a lot of people's favorite bonus, and I don't blame you. It's something that's very, very exciting. You see, the great thing about the ViSalus BMW program is instead of putting it at the top of the compensation plan, like a lot of our competitors, let's face it, by the time you're at the top of a compensation plan, you can buy whatever car you want. So we thought it was a smarter idea to put the ViSalus car incentive at the second earned position in the career path so it could be a vehicle that could literally help drive you to the top of this compensation program. So here's how the ViSalus BMW bonus works. When you hit the position of regional director, you have the ability to get $600 a month to put toward a black BMW. Now that'll be $600 a month that is added on to your ViSalus monthly paycheck on the 15th of every month for anybody that has a black BMW. We don't care if it's purchased, leased, pre-owned, new, as long as the BMW is black. 1 Series, 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, M6, BMW motorcycle, we don't care as long as it's black. People always ask me, Blake, why does it have to be black? I say, well, guys, because pink was taken, right? So it has to be a black BMW. You provide us that you have a black BMW. We will add that $600 a month paycheck to your monthly commission. Very exciting, something you can definitely look forward to. Now, as long as you maintain the position of regional director, you will maintain that bonus every single month. So maintain regional director, maintain that $600 bonus. Now, if for some reason at any point in time you hit regional director and you don't want a black BMW, you don't need a black BMW, maybe you want to stabilize your organization before you get a black BMW, you also have a $300 cash option. So you get $600 toward the black Beamer if you choose to get a car, or you can get $300 cash to do whatever you like with, added to your monthly commission just for being a regional director. When you hit regional director, our ViSalus distributor support will send you a congratulations email with a series of information on exactly what you need to do to activate your bonus. We have personnel that's ready to ask questions, guys. We have had well over 1,000 people already qualify for this BMW program. At the rate right now, we're averaging over 2 BMWs a day. I know that's hard to believe, but over 2 a day. I've met 19-year-olds. I've met 75-year-olds. Guys, this program is possible. Get yourself to regional director. Decide what black BMW you're going to be driving, and we'll see you in the ViSalus Beamer Club.